Hey corner cuties, welcome and welcome back to our channel. I'm Ree if you're new. Today's video I'm doing an unboxing of the Mason Francis Kurkdjian Baccarat Rouge 540. Of course, we know we all butchered the name, but it's the MFK Baccarat Rouge 540. And thank you guys so much. I placed my order, and the video that I did last, I wound up getting sick like 2 days after I filmed that video. So I've been sick now for like 10 days. Me and Jamie both caught the coronavirus. Yeah, great. But we're good. Everything is good. God is good. Thank you so much for that. And thank you guys for coming back around the corner. I know that we've been gone for like almost 2 weeks now that we've been sick, but it's okay. So I'm just going to do this unboxing really quick for you guys because I still have a little bit of a cough. So I'm just going to do this because I didn't want to wait any more longer to open up my box. I've had it now for like 3 days. So here's the unboxing. It comes in a big cardboard box as well as the actual box. And guys, I ordered this from the actual website itself, so that was exciting for me. So let me get it out. I'm so excited, I couldn't wait anymore. So it comes like this, and inside the box comes like this. And mine came with 2 samples. The Gentle Fluidity Gold and the Oud Satin Mode. These were the 2 samples that I chose. On the website, just so you guys know, I paid for my fragrance $244. That is why I ordered from the actual website, not Nordstrom's or Neiman's or Saks or Bloomingdale's or anything, because on those websites they're like $325 and plus tax and shipping and all that. So from the website you skip the tax and the shipping, and it's in euro. So you convert it when you pay with your credit card or whatnot. So I only paid $244. So with that being said, you guys, I saved almost $100 buying it straight from the website. So if you guys are interested in purchasing Baccarat Rouge 540, I suggest that you go to their actual website and get it there and skip that whole third party thing. Save you some coin. It's already expensive. Save you some coin. Okay? Okay, so we'll test these out. So this is the Oud Satin Mode, and I'm going to, and it comes in like this, you know, my eyes are terrible, guys, kind of bluish gray, I guess it looks like. Yeah, because it matches the there. And again, I can't read all this on here because I can't see it. So I'll leave all the descriptions of the notes and everything like that in the description bar for you guys. Bear with me. I just smell like I'm eating something. Oh my gosh, that smells really, really good. This is definitely a nighttime scent, and the sample was pretty decent, and I'm so glad it's a sprayer, so that's nice too. Again, I'll leave all the notes down below in the description bar. Oh my gosh, I like that so far. This is definitely giving nighttime, date night, going out, something like that. I am not good at describing scents whatsoever. You know, I'm not that girl. But this is nice. This is definitely a nighttime scent. Gentle Fluidity Gold. And let's see what she smells like. Oh, that's really nice. This is more of a day fragrance. Yes, this is more of a day fragrance. I'll leave all the notes down below for you guys. Oh, this is nice. Hence the gentle. I didn't know which one that I wanted between the gentle fluidity gold and the silver. I didn't know. So I've heard more about the gold, so I chose the gold. So maybe if I do go back and purchase something else, I'll probably check out the gentle fluidity silver as well. But I got these two. So these were my 2 free samples. And I think if you spend over $350, you also get these 2 samples plus another like small bottle of a choice that they choose for you. So that's pretty cool too when you order from the website. You also get a little note. I did not write anything on my note. I totally had forgot. So with that being said, my little card is going to be blank. Let me get it out for you guys. So yeah, and it comes with this little card inside that you can make a note if it's a gift or something like that. Mine wasn't. Well, it was a gift, but still, I didn't put anything on my card, guys. And this is also a Christmas present from my daughter. So, okay. And now to the big kahuna. So here's how it's packaged. It comes in like that. And let's open her up. It comes in a box like this. This is so awkward. Doing unboxings is awkward. Okay, so here is the actual fragrance. So we are going to open it. I already took the plastic off just so that it can be a little bit easier to get into when I'm filming. And it comes like that. And there she goes, guys. Now I did screenshot the notes on this one, so I'll go ahead and read those off to you guys. And it is jasmine, saffron, cedarwood, and ambergris. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But again, I'll leave it down below and you guys can research the fragrance on your own. If you don't know, some of us don't know. So yes, and this is this. I'm so excited. It's so heavy, you guys. The top is heavy. The bottle itself is heavy. It also has that little design on the inside of the bottle. Oh, God.
Someone is at the front door.
Oh, my gosh, you guys. This smells so good. Oh, my gosh. Okay, let's get this spray, guys. Let's get this sprayed. Okay. They say don't do this, but I'm spraying her once, okay? We're not going anywhere. Oh, goodness. I'm definitely getting that jasmine. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Now again, I do have the dossier version of this, and I've also had the Ariana Grande version. And although they're close, oh my God, they're not this. Trust me. I mean, listen, if you don't want to spend the coin on this, then go ahead. They are similar. I will not say it is a dupe and it smells just like it, because I'm going to just give similar. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is great. Okay. I've wanted this fragrance now for about a year. I was watching Kyra O'Manique about a year or so ago, and she was bathing in this stuff. Like, it just cost her $20, honey, and she swore by it, and she would go back and repurchase it all the time. She would gift it to friends, and I'm like, okay. Then I started watching more YouTube on it, and everybody fell in love with this fragrance. So of course I had to have the real thing. I do have the actual dossier version, which is this one. So I am going to do a comparison, because that is what I told you guys last week when I was ordering it. And I will say it's close. It's close. It's close. Right off rip, when you spray this one though, you do get that alcohol, and let it kind of dry down a little bit. It's close. I'm not gonna lie. It's very, very close. So in my opinion, if you're gonna, you know, spend the coin on the actual real thing, then do so, especially if you have it. But if not, this one does smell very similar. Very similar, guys. But something about this one is giving a little, this is giving she's that girl, okay? She's that girl. She might be her little stepsister, but she's that girl, period. Period. But again, buy this one if you can. And throughout the day, when you feel like, oh, I'm going out now, and you want to maybe top it off a little bit, use this one as a top off. That way you save the juice in your Miss Bougie Pricey over here. So that's just my opinion. That's what I'm going to be doing, because I'm not going to just spray this all willy-nilly. We are still in a pandemic, and being that I just got sick, I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. But I'm going to have her for a very, very long time. Will I repurchase this? Hell yeah. I will come back though and let you guys know the longevity of the fragrance, being that this is my first time purchasing it. So wear tests and things like that, I do not know yet. So I can't give an in-depth review, but I will come back on camera in about a month or so, even if it's in another video, and let you guys know how I am enjoying this, which we all know I am going to enjoy this, because this is absolutely amazing. Okay, so I got my 2 free samples. The actual purchase process, it was decent. It was no issues at all with the bank or anything like that. I did call the bank prior to let them know that I was going to be making a overseas purchase. They said that it converts automatically, so I had 0 problems there. And I paid $244, like I said, and yeah, so you save a little bit of coin, really a lot of coin, if you just purchase it off of the website. So that's my review, you guys. I'm very happy with my purchase, and again, thank you guys so much for coming around the corner. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you guys coming back. We have been sick for 2 weeks, so that is why I haven't uploaded a video in a while. But I'm back. Everybody's doing well. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and let me know what you think. Have you tried it? Have you not tried it? Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. What are you doing? We're almost to 500 subscribers. Once we make it to 500, I'm pretty sure me and Jamie will probably be doing a giveaway. So look forward to that. And thanks again, guys, for watching. Bye.